Easiest estimating software getting started overview. The top toolbar across the top here and what we call the view bar on the left side may be turned off. We do this with a shift F7 as exampled here, and F7 again, and it turns them on. This is done so that we can fit more information on the same size video screen. First, we will discuss the various areas of the screen. On the top, the title bar of the window, we have the version of EasyEst you currently have. In left and right brackets is the code for the current price book, and the bid number or code for the bid and the bid description. Each window also has a title bar. In the case of the bid item list, you'll see the title of this particular window. If we open up another window, the division list, you will see every window has a title bar on it. So it's important to know that, because there are going to be times when that's going to be informative for viewing what you're viewing at the time. Below the window title bar, we have the menu structure from File over to the Help System. Below that is what we call the top toolbar. Placing the mouse over any one of the icons will identify what it is used for. To the right, we have the most frequently used ones. That is the detail list and the use button. On the left side, we have a view bar. When you click on the view bar, it'll open a screen up. And if you didn't want to view this, or you opened the wrong one, just click again and it will close it. It's a handy thing to know. Click it once, it opens it. Click it second time, it closes the menu bar. Down below, we have the display area. This display area will be handy in the future, but for right now, wherever your mouse cursor is at, that's what you see in the lower left. Also on the right side, you'll have the bid total cost and any markups you might have, and a total displayed here. This can be turned off from the view menu. You'll see we've got them turned on, but clicking on them will turn off the top menu bar, the side view bar, or the display area down below. Next, we will cover the bid item list. The bid item list can be minimized, but it cannot be closed. You'll see it's tucked away in the bottom left here. We're going to bring it back up. The bid item list is pretty much the heart of the system in a particular estimate to show all your line items. We'll go over this list in more detail later on in another video, but for right now, it's important to know that you can rearrange the columns by dragging them with your left mouse button, putting it up there. Some people like to have the quantity over on the left side, but you can put the columns in any place you want them on the screen. You also can right mouse click anywhere, and it will show you the things that you might want to do based on your current cursor location when you right mouse click. But what I want to do here is show you the column selection display. This will allow you to turn on and off various columns in the system, so you can actually customize the view. Once you have columns set where you want them, on the view menu we have what we call a load and save view. This will go over later detail also. The sequence list here, the third column over in the bid item list, is unique to the bid item list. However, the sideways chevron, or what we call the tag column here, is on every list. Same with the memo column. So if we would look at the division list, we would see it has a M or memo column and a tag column also. So anytime you're looking at a list, regardless of the list, it will have those two columns on there unless you've turned them off by virtue of changing the selecting the column to display, that is. So on every list you can select a column to display also by right mouse clicking. However, again, the sequence column is an audit trail, meaning that the numbers represent when you brought the items in. In the event that you wanted to maintain an audit trail of what items were added to the bid in the chronological order. However, if you insert an item in the bid and you want to number these, you can do that off the bid menu and resequence PB items, and that will let you resequence these here.